Today we're showing you a Kioti DK45S tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The air conditioning is not blowing cold on the tractor, so currently the air is not working. Tractor was a local trade-in. Fella had it for about 25 hours and realized the tractor was simply not large enough for his needs. Prior to that, it was used by a school. It was used for mowing, so that has been the life of the tractor. Overall, it's a pretty straight tractor. The paint does show some discoloration, fading, and a little bit of rust off the, or paint off the side here as well. It does have turf tires. There are no known mechanical issues with the tractor. The only known issue is that air conditioning is not blowing cold. It does have the dual rear remotes, and I believe it's got center remotes as well. If you're looking for an inexpensive cab tractor, this one might be worth a look. Show you the inside of the cab. Has the gear transmission, 4 gears over here, high, low, medium back here, and then shuttle up here in the dash. Gives you a total of 12 speeds. Current hours are 25:41. There's a loader joystick there if you want to add a loader, and then the dual remote levers and 3-point levers here to the side. Tractor is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it is selling as is, where is. If you have any questions regarding this or any other tractor in our yard, please feel free to contact us at maskedtractor.com.